are you? In a book that I read called The Glad Man, he had a pet frog. So I thought it'd be really cool if we did a directed drawing of a pet frog. Here we go. So we're gonna do a frog sitting on a lily pad in a pond. But first we're gonna do the frog sitting, all right? So we're gonna draw the frog and you can make any background you want. You could do frog on a rock, you do frog on a lily pad like what I'm going to try to do now. But the main point of this is that you learn how to draw the frog. So first we're going to do is the frog body. And that is a nice oval just like so. Okay? On the top we are going to do the two eyes. 1 and 2. They're almost like half circles. All right? And we want to fix this a little bit so it's a perfect oval. Okay? Now we're going to make the frog sitting. So the legs go high up next to it and are on the ground. So if you've ever seen a frog sitting, this is how we try to draw the legs. So from the bottom of the circle around here, we're just going to go up and around like that. And the same thing over here. Around the bottom of the circle, we're going to go up and around. So it looks like its legs. It doesn't look like the legs yet, but it will once we add the rest of the feet. So right for where you did, you're going to go down like this, like an oval, like that. Right now it finishes the foot. Okay? We're going to do the same one over here. Oh, okay. That looks a little bit better, like a frog sitting there. But a frog has front legs too. So we're going to draw long front legs. That's 1. And that's 2. But it needs its paws. Not paws, silly me. It needs its hands here. So we're going to draw the hands like this. Now a frog's little hands here are a little pointy because it grabs the trees or the rocks that it's sitting on. All right, so it's starting to look like a frog, right? Now we have to add the eyes. And the eyes are going to be the same half circles up top, but we're going to color them in. Okay. You think we're done yet? No, we're missing a smiley face. Oh, he kind of looks cute. Wow, he's a big fat frog, but he probably eats a lot of flies. Now the cool thing is that once you have your frog, you could put it in any scenery you want. Like we said, we're gonna put ours on a lily pad. So lily pads are weighty, so I'm gonna put from its legs around it, I'm gonna draw a lily pad like that, okay? And then we could pretend it's in a pond. So we're gonna do the background, right? Move my 2 erasers here, and we do the whole background. And just in case we needed to remember that this is water, you could put some water squigglies, right? Doesn't that look? All right, maybe we could do some rocks back here, like rocks at the edge of the pond, right? Little rock family, okay? Maybe over here we could do some, what is this? Flowers. I heard some of you say it. Oh, maybe let's add some details, right? And we'll add a sun, right? But do you see how we had the frog and then we added all the details and it made it just beautiful, right? I'm adding some grass around it, right? Doesn't that just look amazing? I love it. It looks amazing. You could take your frog and you could put him in any picture you want. You could put your frog on a rock. You could put your frog in a tree. You could put your frog in your hand, right? Like this. You could draw whatever you want as long as you know how to draw the main part. Well, enjoy, and I can't wait to see all of your frog pictures. Have a great day.